nga pala si Wonder Woman. Bawal kumontra. Anyway, dahil 18 ka na, te, ang wish ko, sana, at all, okay, please. If ever, dadalhan kita ng sobrang daming sabon dyan para maligo ka ng bonggang-bongga at mawalan ka ng... Okay. Alam mo na yun. Very good. Okay? Next. For your birthday, gusto ko Yes! In the rain, not in the bagyo. Okay? In the rain only. Because it's very dangerous if it's in the bagyo. So, in the rain. Teehee! Ayun. Sabi nga pala ni... Do you remember? Yes. Stay strong. Kasi, mapa 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Forever, never, never. Taon natin yun. Okay? So, huwag ka mag-alala. Sa mga, magkaroon ka man ng mga wali moments, andito pa rin si Wonder Woman para sa'yo. Alam mo namang samahan kita ma-excite sa mga tihihi moments. Okay? Makakalimutan yun. I wish you all the happiness in life, the strength to face everything. Kasi alam ko marami ka niyan, hindi mo lang nagagamit masyado. Don't be scared. Andiyan naman si Lau, si Von, para tulungan ka maging strong lalo para harapin lahat ng problems tsaka ng challenges na pwede mong harapin. Yeah. And of course, love. I wish na sana ngayong birthday mo, ma-feel mo na loved ka kasi marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo at gusto ko lang emphasize yun na we love you so much and we're thankful na we have you in our lives na never mo kami iiwan lalo na kapag wali. And yun, I just wish na makahanap ka ng lalaki. Ay, hindi pala mahanap ka na ng lalaking aalagaan ka ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi yung yung ganun. Init ulo. Anyway, happy birthday, Lihinde Gaha. Wonder Woman loves you so much. To infinity and beyond. I love you. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. I wish you were here. Nood na lang tayo. Sana sa future, magawa natin yung mga simpleng pangarap natin together. Makaroon tayo ng sunset, sunrise, stargazing, and everything. Okay? Wonder Woman's here for you. Wonder Woman loves you. Wonder Woman misses you so much. You take care, okay? I love you.